If your Jugo collar suddenly stops responding, start with the most common cause: power. Nearly all electronic pet collars rely completely on battery performance. The collar unit usually contains a rechargeable lithium ion battery that lasts between 20 and 80 hours, while the remote may use replaceable AA or AAA batteries or its own rechargeable pack. Make sure the collar is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 to 4 hours. Check LED indicators or your companion app for battery status, and inspect the charging contacts for dirt or corrosion. A quick wipe with a dry cloth can restore proper charging. In fact, most collar issues are caused by weak or poorly connected batteries. If power isn't the problem, the issue may be pairing. Modern collars use Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz signals to communicate. Turn off both the collar and remote, then press and hold their pairing buttons together for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see a confirmation light. If that fails, perform a factory reset on both devices to clear old connections and start fresh. Also, consider environmental interference. Metal fencing, walls, or nearby electronics can weaken the signal. Finally, ensure the collar fits snugly and the receiver sits properly against your pet's neck for consistent communication.